How to change challenge passage time of Cloudflare domain in cPanel. Cloudflare protected website display CAPTCHA to visitors for preventing bad bots and malicious activity. You can specify the allowed time for visitors who complete the page challenge. Let's see how we can do it. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the software section and click on the Cloudflare icon. Click to sign in and enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. Click on the Settings menu. Click to open the drop-down list of time intervals provided for the challenge passage feature. Here you can select a time interval allowed for visitors who pass the CAPTCHA challenge. Keep one thing in mind while selecting smaller time intervals: that if the visitor's IP reputation is bad, but the visitor is genuine, they can get annoyed by frequently filling CAPTCHA. That's it, the time interval has been changed. Thank you for watching.